Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Forms public. By default, Google Forms are private, meaning only selected people can fill them out. Now if you want to make your form public so anyone with the link can access it, follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open your Google Form. You can do this by going to your web browser and then type in Google Form. And after that, click on the website Google Workspace. Now after the website appears, make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. As you can see here, after logging in, you're going to be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, click on the settings icon. Now after click on the form you want to make public. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Now after that, click on uh, uh, click on the gear icon, for example this one, or just click on publish. Now after you publish it, click on the share button here and you'll see the sharing options. Now to make sure that your form is accessible by the viewer, change the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link, so anyone with the link can access this form. For example, I'm going to click publish and I'm gonna be able, after the update, the access is updated, you can copy the responders link and share it with the people you want to access the 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 form. As for the next step, you can adjust the settings by by clicking collect email addresses and turning it to off, and uncheck limits to one response per person, so anyone can answer. Now after you get the public link by clicking on the share as I told you, and click on the copy responders link, and now your link is copied. The second step is you can embed the form on a website. Now this step is optional and you can do it by clicking on the